Okay, she had a really good intro, and it was give me 15 seconds, and I'll show you how to get on national TV and networks without anyone knowing who you are. And then that was it. That was the first 5 seconds. It got me to watch. Then the next step was, I've been on Dr. Phil, Oz, and she showed all these things, right? And so here's the rest of it.
For TED Talks, etc. So hopefully that clears up the, hey, is this person for real or not? So if you're an expert and you help people with your expertise, whether you're a coach, consultant, author, speaker, or some other kind of expert, this is going to be a game changer for you. Because right now, you don't have enough authority. You've never been in major media. You've never been featured on TV. It's like, why should people hire you? You know, who are you? But the moment they've seen you on NBC News, the moment they've seen you on Fox or Forbes magazine, it's like instant credibility and authority that can transform your career. Join me today for a free masterclass I'm having where I'll walk you through exactly how you can get featured on major media even if nobody knows who you are. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to check out this masterclass now. Just click on the link under this video. You're going to be taken to a sign-up page where you can sign up and watch the masterclass. Easy peasy. This is the exact same masterclass that Gary watched. And within a few months, Gary got featured on local TV and national TV, which blew up his business 10x from the sales he was doing before.
Getting on TV increased our store sales by 1,000%. Thanks, Cheryl.
Just because of media exposure, Gary went from 5 figures a month to a solid 6 figures a month in revenue. It also reminds me of my clients, Danny and Karen. Danny and Karen are college planners. They watched this exact same masterclass. We got them featured on Medium, Authority Magazine, and as regular contributors to the Atlanta Journal-Constitution. And today their business revenue has bumped up by 3 solid digits.
Hi, this is Danny from Game 3 College Planners, and I can tell you ever since working with Cheryl and the Hunter Group, our business has grown triple digits. We're bringing on more clients, we're doing more business, and we certainly couldn't have done it without their mindset, their message.
So she had a really good hook, 5 second hook, and then right after she followed up with a really good 30 second hook, and now I'm in this 2 minutes and I'm still hooked. So this is the kind of stuff that we're gonna build on 5secondleadhooks.com. But I'm documenting this for the future.